Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 3, Accounts of Partnership Firm. In the last video, we have learned the definition of partnership and the need of partnership firm. Now, we are going to learn features of partnership. What are the features of partnership? Already I have informed about partnership. Partnership means minimum 2 members, maximum 50 members can be there as per Indian Partnership Act 1932. So you see here an association of 2 or more persons. Already informed you the meaning of partnership itself. 2 or more persons will be joined together and starting the business is called partnership. So that's what they have given. Partnership is an association of 2 or more persons. The minimum is 2, maximum number of partners is 15. Then agreement between the partners. The partners they'll have the agreement between themselves to share the profit or loss arised from the business. So agreement should be maintained. Then profit sharing. The profit sharing ratio should be mentioned, should be defined in the partnership deed also. Then business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Already informed you regarding the partnership. Partnership business can be carried on by all the partners or any one partner can work for all the partners, as well as lawful business. The partnership form of business can be organized only for legal business alone. Legal business alone can be organized under Partnership Act 1932. Now we are going to learn about partnership deed. What is partnership deed? Already informed you regarding the partnership. Partnership means 2 or more persons are joined together and starting the business to earn profit. After earning the profit will be shared among the partners in the agreed ratio. In that case, they have the agreement among themselves. The agreement should be oral or written. The agreement should be written, that is expected by the Indian Companies Act 1932 as well as Indian Partnership Act 1932 also. So we are following Indian Partnership Act 1932. The partnership deed, the partnership agreement should be written. So what is partnership deed? Partnership deed is a document in writing that contains the terms of agreement among the partners. In that case, what are the agreement among the partners they are maintaining, that should be in the written document, that should be in the form of written, that is called partnership deed. Partnership deed is known to be maintained, but Indian Partnership Act 1932 as per you have to maintain the partnership deed. If you are going to maintain the partnership deed mean you can enjoy the benefits of partnership. If you are not maintain the partnership deed mean you cannot follow the agreement. Now you see here, partnership deed serves as evidence of the terms of the agreement among the partners. Now I said that no, if you are not maintaining the partnership deed mean you can't utilize the points whichever you have mentioned in the partnership deed in oral, that you cannot show it as a evidence. If it is in the written form only, you can show it as a evidence. So what are the contents of partnership deed? The contents of partnership deed is a 3-mark question. Partnership deed is a 2-mark question. What is partnership deed? Partnership deed is a document in writing that contains the terms of agreement among the partners. Partnership deed serves as evidence of the terms of the agreement among the partners. So what are terms and conditions that are maintained by the partners that will be written in the partnership deed. The contents of partnership deed. First they will write the name of the firm and nature of the business and the place of the business. In that case, name XYZ and nature of the business, legal business, what is the business name, what are the kind of business, whether it is a silk business or cotton business or normal rice business. Likewise, what is the nature of the business, that will be mentioned. Then business location, where it is located, that also should be mentioned. Then date of commencement and duration of the business. In that case, what I mean, how long the partnership agreement will be continued, that is called as duration of the agreement. So the date of commencement, that also should be mentioned. The name and address of all partners, self address, not a business address. Then capital contributed by each partner, how much amount is contributed by the each partner to the partnership firm, that also should be mentioned. Then profit sharing ratio, how they are going to share the profit and loss, that also should be mentioned in the partnership deed. Then amount of drawings allowed to each partner, whether the partner can be allowed to withdraw the amount from the partnership. If it is allowed, mean they can mention the partnership deed. Then rate of interest to be allowed on capital, because the partners, they are investing the capital to the business. For that, whether interest is allowed or not, that also should be mentioned. Then interest on drawings is allowed to the partners or not. If it is allowed, mean rate of interest can be calculated from the partners, mean that also should be mentioned. Then salary can be provided to the partners, mean that also you have to inform, that also you have to include in the partnership deed. And then rate of interest on loans provided by partners. The partnership firm can collect the loan from the partners. If it is collected from the partner, mean whether we have to provide the interest to the partners or not, that also should be mentioned. Then procedure for admission of new partner. Then procedure for retirement of a partner. If the suppose partner is died, mean what are the formalities should be maintained, how the partnership firm should be dissolved, everything should be informed in the partnership deed in written format.